Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use free overdraft coverage on Cash App. To get started, you first need to unlock green status. You can do this by receiving at least $300 in monthly paychecks or qualifying direct deposits into your Cash App account. Another way is to spend more than $500 per month using your Cash App card. You also need to have a Cash App card activated. This can be either a physical card or a digital card. Without an active Cash App card, you will not be able to use overdraft coverage. After meeting these requirements, open the Cash App and tap the Balance section from the bottom menu. If your account is eligible, you will see an overdraft option on the screen. Tap on Overdraft and then turn on the feature by using the available toggle or button. Follow any additional instructions that appear, and once the setup is complete, overdraft coverage will be enabled for your account. Thanks for watching.